Lee County just changed how evictions were, and if you own a rental property here and don't know about this, it could cost you an extra week of lost rent on your very next case. I'm going to tell you exactly what changed, what it means for your timeline, and the 3 paperwork mistakes that will get your case pushed to the back of the line. This whole video is under 4 minutes. I'm LaDonna, 20 years in Florida real estate, and I help landlords handle evictions without attorneys and without costly mistakes. I just sat down with a prominent Lee County judge who actively oversees eviction cases and is spearheading this new program. Before I get into it, drop a comment below. Are you in Fort Myers, Cape Coral, or somewhere else in Lee County? I want to know who I'm talking to. Starting June 29th, every residential eviction case in Lee County is automatically placed on a dedicated Monday docket, 1 p.m. every Monday. Via Zoom, you don't drive to the courthouse. Under the old system, you could wait 6 to 8 weeks just to get a hearing date. Under this system, your case is scheduled within days of service. Here's the part that matters most. If your tenant doesn't file an answer and doesn't deposit rent with the court, and you have your motion for default ready, the judge enters a default final judgment that same Monday. Case closed. Same day. Faster resolution. Predictable schedule. Writ service delays eliminated. That's what the court built this for. But here's what nobody is telling Lee County landlords about this new docket. And it's the part that will actually determine whether you win or lose on that Monday. Faster courts mean your paperwork has to be right the first time. One mistake and your case doesn't get dismissed, it gets pushed to next Monday. Your tenant stays another week. You lose another week of rent. 3 mistakes I see Lee County landlords make constantly. Number 1, missing copies. Lee County requires a full set of pleading copies for every defendant, 1 missing copy. The clerk kicks it back at the window. Number 2, no stamped envelope. Lee County requires 1 stamped legal-size envelope addressed to your tenant so the clerk can mail the complaint and summons if service is posted. Forget this and you're starting over. Number 3, and this is the one that hurts people the most, the partial payment trap. If your tenant handed you any money after you served your 3-day notice, you may have legally voided that notice under Florida law. Doesn't matter if it was $50. Doesn't matter if they called it good faith. If you accepted it, you may have to start the entire eviction over. Quick question. Has a tenant ever promised to pay and then not followed through? Drop a yes or no in the comments. It matters for what I'm about to show you. Here's what to do right now if you have a non-paying tenant in Lee County. Step 1. Get the free 3-day notice from helpevictingtenant.com. Free 5 minutes starts the legal clock today. Step 2, do not accept a single dollar from your tenant after you serve it. Not a partial, not a I'll get you the rest Friday, nothing. Step 3, when the 3-day period expires, have your filing documents ready before that Monday docket date. Every day past expiration is rent you won't recover. The link is in the description. The 3-day notice is free. The DIY eviction packet, all 10 forms, pre-filled, court-ready, step-by-step is $238. Link below. If this helped you, subscribe. I cover Florida eviction law specifically for landlords who want to handle this themselves without paying attorney fees. New video every week. And if you have a question about your specific situation, drop it in the comments. I read them.